everyone, and you can see that this is my portfolio website, and I work on it, and I trying to add everything like my my AML journey, and you can see that this background related to data processing, okay, CNN part, and you can see that this is I also had chatbot also, okay, and now ask anything, just I give him emoji, okay, it will answer about this emoji, okay. You can simply ask anything, it will tell me about, okay. And I also had ElevenLabs AI, and you can call through, and
Hey, I'm Nobi, your ElevenLabs AI assistant.
you can
How
ask
can I
anything
help?
about me, okay. And I want you to try everything, okay. And I also add background music for comfort and motivating, and the voice is so cool. And you can see that there is many section about me, okay. And resume section, you can see that you can download, view in drive, and any you can see, and download option also, and you can see that this is the drop down option, okay. And experience in journey, this is also in drop down format, and you can see this section also, this is about my skill, okay. And this is my portfolio and every projects, okay. And you can simply follow my GitHub also, and this is my coding platform journey, and I have solved 180 plus question on DeepML. This is about ML question, and I also solved question lead code also. This is all about my certification, and this is the gallery section, and you can see that this is the hackathon journey, and I attend 4 plus hackathons, and this is, you can see this is the shows jab, other I can try my projects. Basically my project was sign language detection. You can see that they are making sign, okay. And this is the blog section, I post blog, and this is my social media contact, you can contact me directly, and you can mail me directly also, okay. And this is my whole portfolio, and you can suggest me anything you want to say, and that's all, and thank you, and follow me for more this type of content.